Abandonment. Abandonment means leaving someone or something behind and not taking care of it anymore. The dog's abandonment made it very sad. The house looked old due to abandonment. After the storm, the area was full of signs of abandonment, with broken homes and no people around. The child felt hurt because the abandonment by his parents made him feel unwanted and alone. Neglect, not giving care or attention. Desertion, leaving someone or something behind. Rejection, saying no to someone or something. Other similar words: loneliness, isolation, separation. Care, looking after someone or something. Support, helping and staying with someone. Protection, keeping someone or something safe. Other opposite words: attention, love, presence.